news that's coming in at the moment. It's the Israeli army which is now saying that it has hit the Navy's infrastructure site. This is Hezbollah's infrastructure site in South Lebanon, which is now being hit. This is a big claim which is being made by the Israeli army. Israeli army says that its navy has hit Hezbollah's infrastructure site in South Lebanon. The visuals that you are seeing on your screens coming in from Iran, it's the Israeli army which is now saying that its navy has hit Hezbollah's infrastructure site in South Lebanon. So the latest which is coming in over the past 9 days, we have seen the war between Iran and Israel escalate to alarming levels. The entire globe is very keenly looking at it. Instability in Middle East, that's something which is very, very evident now. My colleague Shivani Sharma, who's joining me from Tel Aviv in Israel, is joining me on the story. Shivani, we are now seeing big claims that are being made. You are right now in Tel Aviv, a city which has seen massive missile attacks by Iran. Can you please tell us what exactly is the situation on ground? And a big claim also being made by the Israeli army. They are saying Hezbollah's infrastructure site has been hit.
Aishwarya, this is 9th day of the war, and as the developments by both the countries are going on, I'll also keep showing you the pictures of devastation in Israel. I'll try and show these buildings that have been hit by Iranian missiles and rockets. This is the place which is called Bethlehem, and in this area there was a missile attack from Iran, and people were also killed. 5 people of the same family were killed in this whole region. This is now cordoned off and the police has closed this whole area. Nobody can go inside this whole structure. This road has been closed, and similarly these attacks are happening almost every day. And I would like to tell you that I'm moving towards Beersheba, where the hospital was hit by Iran. And now this is Bethlehem, which is in the central Israel, which has been hit. You can see the roads. These are deserted roads. Though this is not completely because of the war. It is Shabbat today, which is a day of Jewish people who spend the day with their family. But yes, there is impact on the roads in Israel, Aishwarya. And also, I would like to tell you that early morning, 2:30 a.m., there were sirens around Tel Aviv. We could hear 5 to 6 explosions. And what we were told that a building was hit by the shrapnels of the neutralized missile systems that were coming towards Israel. And there was fire in one of the buildings there. But yes, Iran is also being hit by Israel. There are reports of devastation inside Iran. Also in Qom city, there are 2 deaths that have been reported today. And the top commander of the drone unit has been killed in this attack from Israel. So from both the sides, there are attacks. I am trying to show you maximum pictures to give the sense to our viewers what's happening in Israel. And multiple buildings have been hit in Israel, Aishwarya, in these attacks from Iranian side. And you see the police has taken control of this whole area. Nobody can enter this area. You can see minimum people on the roads. Nobody wants to get exposed unnecessarily. They want to remain in protected zones. But yes, the situation continues to escalate each day. This is 9th day of the conflict with a number of developments happening. The situation on ground is serious. Back to you, Aishwarya.
Shivani, from what we also understand, a lot of the people at the moment have gone inside bunkers and they have been staying in those safe areas. They are inside bunkers, and it seems like there is no end, there is no ceasefire, at least in coming days. Can you hear me, Shivani? We'll try and reconnect with my colleague Shivani. She is reporting from Tel Aviv. Now, this is a city in Israel that has seen massive barrage of missile attacks. The visuals that you are seeing on your screens coming in from Israeli cities. A lot of cities have been damaged. Similarly, from Iran too, we have seen these kind of visuals coming in, ballistic missiles, barrage of them being fired from both the sides.